In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit Higgsfield video. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to higgsfield.ai and you want to sign into your account or create one in case you don't have one yet. Once you do this, you want to hover over to create and you can either create your image, video, your speaker, so your speaking video, or a UGC content. So to actually edit a video, you're going to have to go into video. And then in here, you'll be able to basically just select one of your images to base the video on. You can generate the image, you can paste it in here or just upload it. So I'm gonna upload an image over here and I'm gonna take, for example, this dude over here. So it's the exact same one I used to create an example, which I'm gonna show you over here. So for example, you have only this image and you'd like to edit that into a video. You can do this and it can look awesome. So here I added an explosion. I'm gonna play this. As you can see, it's just like an explosion behind them and it looks very legit. Now you can do this by actually going up here and clicking change and selecting what edit you would like. So you have a bunch of different ones like the face punch, the building explosion, eyes in, earth zoom out, whatever you want. For this instance, we're going to do the earth zoom out over here. And once you've selected that, you can of course add an end frame if you want to. I'm not going to, but if you're going for more detailed videos, you can do that too. And then the prompt, you have to describe the scene you imagine with details. So make this as detailed as possible. And if you want it to be even more detailed, make sure you leave this enhance on, not off, but on, which will basically add some more details to your videos and your creations. Now, the prompt is going to be a zoom out of a building and into the space, okay, for example. Now you can of course do a lot more in detail and I would recommend that, but for the sake of this video, that's all I'm gonna do. And then after that, you have to select your model. So if you're using the free version, the Higgsfield Lite is going to be the only one you're going to have access to, but you can also see these over here. And if you're using premium, you can use any of these too. Then here you want to click on the settings option where you can change the duration. So you can go for 3 or 5 seconds. You can put in a random seed if you want to and if you like to have that, and then you can also set different steps, which will of course take more quality, take more steps, improve quality, and cost more as well. So that's pretty much the part. Then you want to click on generate over here and it's going to generate whatever you asked for. So over here, as you can see, this is an example and it's quite a good one, and you can of course make whatever similar to this with your images. Now that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.